Hey there, folks! Are you tired of lugging around heavy vacuum cleaners that only do one job? Well, we've got something that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. Introducing the P11 Mopping, the versatile vacuum cleaner that goes beyond just vacuuming. In this video, we're going to dive into all the amazing features and benefits this incredible machine has to offer. So, stick around and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the P11 Mopping's unique selling points. This vacuum cleaner comes with a detachable mopping base and a 340 ml water tank, allowing you to mop your floors effortlessly. Say goodbye to the hassle of switching between different tools with the P11 Mopping. You can vacuum and mop in one go. Now, let's dive into the power of this machine. The P11 Mopping boasts a high-performance, ultra-quiet digital motor with an impressive 35 kPa suction power. That means it can pick up even the tiniest particles and leave your floors spotless. And the best part? It's cordless and lightweight, making it super easy to carry around your home. But wait, there's more! The P11 Mopping is not just limited to cleaning floors. It quickly converts to a handheld vacuum with attachments for those hard-to-reach places. Whether it's cleaning stairs, cars, furniture, or even those pesky cobwebs in the corners, this vacuum has got you covered. Now, let's talk about convenience. The P11 Mopping features an LED display and touch panel for easy control and notifications. No more guessing when to recharge or struggling to find the right settings. Everything is right at your fingertips. And speaking of recharging, the P11 Mopping has a removable battery that can run for up to 50 minutes without needing to recharge. That's plenty of time to tackle all your cleaning tasks without interruption. Plus, it has LED headlights, so you won't miss a spot even in dimly lit areas. Worried about dust and allergens? Don't be. The P11 Mopping comes with a 5-layer filtration system, including a cyclone system, stainless steel mesh, cone filtration, air inlet HEPA, and air outlet sponge. This means it captures even the smallest particles and keeps your air clean and fresh. Now, let's talk about maneuverability. The P11 Mopping features a swivel steering feature, allowing you to effortlessly navigate around furniture and tight corners. No more struggling to reach those hidden spots. This vacuum makes it easy. And there you have it, folks. The P11 Mopping, the versatile vacuum cleaner that will change the way you clean. With its detachable mopping base, powerful suction, and convenient features like LED display and touch panel, it's a game changer in the world of cleaning appliances. If you're tired of lugging around heavy vacuums and wasting time on multiple cleaning tools, the P11 Mopping is the solution you've been waiting for. So why wait? Get yours today and experience the cleaning revolution yourself. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cleaning! Click the link below.